I don't think I've enjoyed anything more than wearing a beautiful blouse with just a pair of jeans. It's just been so much fun. I love this way of dressing. So I decided to pick out some beautiful viscose that we have. These are all viscose. Viscose is cool. It doesn't wrinkle. It has great drape. It's just a beautiful piece, and we're doing all of these at $19.99. Viscose is an Italian fabric. The Italians have taken rayons and taken it to next level. It is considered a natural fiber, and these are 100% viscose. They're just absolutely stunningly beautiful. So we start off with this first one. It's kind of like a classic tan and black. It's diagonal, so it's beautiful to make a blouse that looks on the bias, but it's not. It's straight a grain. So that's a really pretty way to use that. This is a great black and white. It's got little tiny circles. You can see again the drape on this is just fabulous. There's no, the wrinkling is minimal. It just drapes and hangs beautifully. So I did some of these classic black and whites. You can see this is usable on both sides. Some of our blouse patterns that just a fresh, beautiful blouse would be lovely. $19.99 is just such a great price. I put the solid black in here because this is a knit. It's perfect for a pair of yoga pants. Or several other bias. You could do several of them. It has incredible drape. It's a viscose. It's got a little bit of lycra in it, but the drape on this is incredible. Both sides are usable. It's a very deep, dark black. It matches with everything, and again, $19.99 is just a great price on this. The red, this is also 100% viscose. It's reversible, as you can see. Both sides are usable so that you don't have to worry about the back side being different. This one I put in here because I love the drape. This is a viscose, but I love that border. Just think of all the fun things you could do with that border. Just a really beautiful, you could go down the front, you could go on the bottom, at the top, just so many different things, and it's just a beautiful print. The background is black. You've got your brown, you've got it's just beautiful colors. So the goal, with these viscose, you have to have happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.